Hey guys, it's Kiara from My Digital Affiliate. Today, we're going to continue on making money with the easy way to make money with Clickbank using My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay, so if you don't know, My Lead Gen Secrets is a program in which you can send emails and you get 100 leads every single day as long as you're in the program, constantly overflowing to a certain point. And once you get a sale in My Lead Gen Secrets, you get these 100 bonus leads. And so you start getting 200 leads every single day. And I'm at to the point where I got 25,000 leads that I can mail every single day. And it's at this point the easiest way to make money on Clickbank, at least in my opinion. All right, so the first thing you want to do is, get you an account. There's a link in the description to get you a My Lead Gen Secrets account and get it started. You just log in. I think you put your email in first, and then you put your email in first, and then you just put in your information. Very simple to do. After that, you want to have at least 2 accounts. You want to get 2 accounts so you can get these bonus leads. So if you have 2 accounts, you'll get 300 leads a day. And that right there will boost your money. But most people recommend 5 accounts to make a decent income off of it, to pay for your bills and so on and so forth. As long as your bills aren't too extravagant, you live in pretty much anywhere except maybe like LA or something like that. You'll make around about $3,000, maybe $4,000 a month after a certain point. Maybe even get higher. Some people are going even further and deciding to go with 7 accounts or even 10. There's one person in 10 accounts, and they made their 10 accounts in November or around December. I had seen this while looking up some information. They made 10 accounts around November, somewhere around November, December, top of December, end of November. And at this point, they have made $1,000 off of My Lead Gen Secrets, doing exactly what I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do now. They made $1,000 already. Pretty much made all of their money back for making 10 accounts, and more. So what we're gonna do here, essentially, we're gonna immediately go over to Clickbank here. Once you get into there's a link in the description for Clickbank. If you don't have a Clickbank account, very easy to get into. Pretty sure anybody that ever clicked on this video already knows what Clickbank is and already got a Clickbank account. It's very easy to get into. So anyway, I'm not going to explain that, but basically all you got to do is just put in your information. You can get in. There's no wall at all. You just get in. So anyway, we want to go to Marketplace here. Once you get in your Clickbank account, click on Marketplace. It'll take you to this screen here. And you want to go with e-business and e-marketing. Now you can go with employment and jobs, but I say e-business, e-marketing. Now today we're gonna try another product here because I haven't yet. I've been focused on this one, but let's try another product this time. You want to go with these 2 products here. At the very minimum, stick to the top product. The top product's very good. Get sales on it. A ton of people are getting sales with the top product here. That's the one you want to kind of stick to for the most part. And yeah. So I want to go with a different product this time. But this is if you first starting, I'd say go with this product here. This is the one that's guaranteed to get you some sales with My Lead Gen Secrets. But these 2 are the ones you want to kind of stick with. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on Write It Out Review Affiliates here. We're gonna find an email, a solid email that we can send here. Let's look at them. 30 per photo you take, $30 every photo. I'm gonna pay $30 per hour. I think I'm gonna stick that. Yeah, let's do that. $30 per hour for photos. $30 fee. Okay, we're gonna go with mailing system here. I'm trying to figure out how to spice up the spice up the subject a little bit more. 30 per photo. Take every photo you take. So we're gonna go with first name. Easy. Let me put easy money at the front. I'm gonna do something. Yeah, let's go with this. Go with this. Easy money. Something like that. $30 photo you take. Blah blah blah. Okay. We're gonna do that. We're gonna pick perfect timing. We need a email. We need to get the email now. So hi, name, blah blah blah, whatever it says. Best wishes, signature, copy. All right, so we got our name here. I could pick my name for signature, but I can use an alias. I hear like names like Michael are a lot more trustworthy. So we're gonna just test that out as well. See how that works out. So we're gonna go with country. Instead of my name, I'm gonna use Michael. My name's kind of unique, so I figure that probably won't work too well. Sometimes, I don't know. It's just a theory. I just want to check if it get more sales if I pick somebody else's name or management. You know what? It's a good one to pick management. I could pick management, but we're gonna stick with Michael. Michael's a pretty simple name. The simpler the name, the more this is a study on read somewhere that the simpler the name, the more trustworthy it is. Michael's a pretty common name, pretty simple name, so I'm gonna stick with that. So we're gonna try that. My name is Kiara. Of course, you know that. I already said it. Anyway, we need to get a link here. We're gonna go ahead and put that information in. My lead gen's 1 there. Yep. I'm gonna pick that. Go back here. Get this whole sentence here. It says go just get the click here, but I'm just gonna get the whole sentence and like that. You kind of want to clickbait it a little bit, you know, just get somebody like they see easy money, you know. I figure that might get somebody to click on it. So anyway, let's go over here. We're gonna look at the email. It looks pretty solid. Your area, everything looks fixed. It looks pretty solid. All right, so we're gonna click on this and see if the link works. The link works. Okay, so we're gonna send this email here. We're gonna see how this performs. I know social media. I know social media. If I would, you know, if you were just starting, you go with the top one. The top one is the best performing one, but I just want to give this one a shot and see how it does with my account, with this one account. Now I recommend, like I stated before, I recommend 5 different accounts because I'm just using one for this study, but I recommend 5 accounts to really build up your income here. Perfect timing. What perfect timing does is essentially sends the email around the time that people start opening their emails. So it's a better chance of them opening your email. So we're just gonna send email here, and I think that's about it for today. The links, there's links in the description. Comment below if you're interested. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.